Yeah, no, it's go ahead.
That's the character.
Really good.
Okay, welcome fourth graders. Welcome to our mindfulness counseling group. Glad to see everybody. Hi. Just gonna go through and we're gonna say our names here. We're gonna start here.
Lisa.
Yeah.
Mark.
Kristen.
All right. Good to see you guys again. So today we're gonna work on a little tool that can help us relax throughout various stressors that might hit us in our life. So you can all know that school sometimes can be stressful, and sometimes we can feel overwhelmed with the amount of work that we have. Or maybe sometimes we have some problems with our friends, and it causes us some kind of stress and anxiety. So what I want to do is start out by showing you a little tool called the breathing tool. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So all it is imagine, if you will, you have a tape measure in your hand, and you pull it up, and you breathe in. And then you breathe out. Try it again. Breathe in. It's a big one. Okay. So, we're going to use that in a make-believe situation. So, I'd like you to imagine that you're in the classroom and you've been working on a math test, and it's really challenging. You've been working really hard, and you're about 30 minutes in, and you're just starting to get tired. How do you feel? Imagine that for a moment. How do you feel in your body if you've been sitting there working on that test? Do you feel where would you feel that stress in your body?
My neck and shoulders.
Neck and shoulders.
My back.
Your back. Yeah, Mark?
My butt. She's fourth grader.
Okay.
Fourth grader.
So,
That's probably in my chest.
in your chest? We're not doing that, babe.
I'm sorry, I was being fourth grader.
We're getting
Okay, I'll stop. Anyway, go
We're
back.
getting in the role.
I was getting in, okay.
I'm not doing that. I don't want to do management today.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Thank you. So, once again, where are you feeling that stress in your body?
My back.
Your back starts to hurt a little bit. Yeah. How about you, Mark?
I'm probably just feeling it in my chest.
In your chest a little bit?
Yeah.
This goes a little tight. Yeah, Lisa?
My neck and shoulders.
Neck and shoulders. And that's the feeling in our body. What kind of feelings do we have emotionally? Can you put a word to that? Does anyone put a word to that?
I'm stressed that I'm not going to be able to finish the test.
Worried about the test.
Tired.
Yeah. Tired. Yeah, what else?
Frustration.
Frustration. We have frustration, we feel tired, we feel worried we're not going to finish it, and then we feel in our back, in our necks. And then what do we want to do with that? I mean, for me, sometimes I feel like, gosh, I just need to stop doing this test. I just want it to go away. Does anyone have those feelings sometimes?
Yeah, I like to get up and walk away.
Get up and walk away. Yeah, anything
But
else?
then you can't because you have to take a test.
You should take a test. Very practical. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So what I want us to do now is in the middle of that test, pretend we're there, we're going to do 3 breathing tools together. Ready? So go ahead. And again. One more. Let's actually do 2 more. Slow them down. Here we go. In. Sometimes it helps. I know we got a neighbor next to us, but let's go out. You might get your neighbor a little bit. Let's go outwards. Okay. I want you to just roll your neck a little bit like this. Yeah. A little bit of neck roll. And then roll those shoulders back a little. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So tell me now, how do you feel in your body? Raise your hand if you'd like to share. How does your body feel different? Kristen?
Feel slower.
You feel slower?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Is it more calm, that feeling of slow?
Yeah.
More relaxed?
Relax.
Good. How about you, Mark?
I feel like I'm kind of able to take a step back.
Take a step back a little bit. Good. Lisa, how about you?
A little more relaxed.
A little more relaxed. And how's your emotional feeling? Good. Yeah.
Calmer.
Calmer?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. So now that you know you have this test in front of you, you have some choices, and you can also think about that. If you feel like you can go back to it now, you can do that. Or maybe if you're on overwhelm and you need a little extension for it, what could you do? If you need a little extension, a little extra time, because it's just a little overwhelming.
Can you ask for more time?
Sure, you can always ask for more time, right? You tell your teacher you're feeling that way. Okay, great. So for our next activity here, what I'd like you to do is take your paper and fold it in half. Right this way. We call this hamburger. Yeah. Hamburger, hot dog. Who likes hamburgers more? All right. Who's a hot dog person?
I go.
We like them both. All right. Today we got hamburger. We're doing hot dog another time. Okay. So I'm gonna ask you to think of something at school that can be a little bit troublesome to you at times, that you might need a little bit of help with. And I want you to think about how you feel when it's bothering you. And you're gonna draw a simple little picture of yourself on the left side here, and you're gonna put a little X on the places in your body where you feel tension when you think about that problem, okay? So go ahead and do that right now.
So we're drawing a picture of
So
ourselves.
draw a picture of yourself right here.
Okay.
You have something in your mind that maybe bothers you a little bit at school. If you'd like, you can write down what the thing is that bothers you, just really simple. It could be schoolwork, it could be friends, it could be recess. You can just write one word there,
On this
whatever
side.
it is, on that side, on the left side, yes.
A word of something that troubles us at school.
Yes.
What were the little X's?
X's are for where you feel tight in your body.
Oh.
We're putting X's where we feel.
Tight in your body,
Tight.
yeah. You feel some restriction. Like I said, you could write recess time or schoolwork or friendships. And then once you've got that, please write a few feelings that you feel. Stress
On the
or
same side?
on the same side, on this left side. Angry or worried, concerned. Some good pictures there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. One more moment here. Looks like you're finished up with some Mark. Chris, looks like you're doing a great job there. Okay. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna do a few of our breathing tools and relaxation. Okay? So you ready? Let's do a few of those. Let's do 5. And inhale. And let it go. Try one out this way. Inhale. Get a big one in there. And let it go. Okay. In through the nose this time. And exhale. Inhale the nose. Exhale. You guys are such a good group of breathing. I'm going to teach you a special breathing tool. Ready? Watch Mr. Paradiso. Inhale for 4 in the nose. You can watch me first. You go. Then you hold for 6. Hum up, and exhale for 8 through your mouth. It's tricky. So what? Inhale 4 through the nose. Go. I'll count. Put your tongue here. Hold. Exhale slowly. That was a good one. Okay, wiggle. Jiggle. Okay, laugh. Ha. 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 Okay, fingers. Fingers. Okay, face. Happy face. Stick your tongue out. Blink several times. Okay, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. All right, now I'd like you to draw a picture of yourself feeling how you're feeling now. A little more relaxed. Hope.
On the same side or the other side?
Other side. please write down any feelings you have as well. And if you do feel any of those tensions still, you can put them in there. If you don't, that's fine. Okay, so we're gonna do a little share out. Who'd like to share out first? Lisa, you wanna share? Why don't you start with the left side and tell us about what was stressful and how you felt, and then share with the right. You can hold it up. Okay,
There's a bully during lunch.
okay, you hold it
Oh,
up. from that.
there's a bully in lunch,
Yeah,
and she makes me feel angry and scared.
okay, and can we see too? Yeah,
And I got tension
Uh-huh.
in my eyes, and my face, and my
Uh-huh.
mouth,
Yeah.
my neck and shoulders.
okay. And what happened after you did some breathing tools?
I felt silly
Mm-hmm.
and happy.
Well, that's great. Thank you. Let's snap clap for Lisa. There we go. Mark?
So mine was math quiz,
Okay, let me see.
being speaking in front of class,
Yeah,
which makes me feel stressed and fear.
yeah.
And on the other side, after the exercises, smiling and calm.
All right, you feel better?
Have a big smile.
Cool. Okay. Let's give Mark a round of applause.
Oh.
Okay, Kristen?
Mine was for homework. It makes my head hurt and my chest hurt and my hand hurt.
Mhm.
And it makes me tired and angry and makes I want to go play. not
You
be
want to go
home.
play? Uh-huh. And then when you take a deal breath?
And then I felt resting, calm. I closed my eyes. I put my hands down because I didn't
Calm
feel like I had them down up anymore. And chill and happy.
Great. Okay, let's give Kristen a roller coaster clap. Watch with me. Go ahead. Woo! Together. Ready? Kristen, you too. Woo! Okay. So today we learned a tool that can help us to calm down and feel a little happier and be able to manage the difficulties that we face each day. So you guys did a really terrific job at checking in with your body and practicing these tools. And next week we'll come together and we'll talk about how when we're in a calmer place, we can make some good decisions to help us with these problems. So do you all feel like you can use, on a scale of 1 to 5, how effective do you think this tool can be for you? 1 being just a little bit, 2 being okay, 3 being pretty good, 4 being great, 5 being an excellent tool that I can use. Can you show me on your fingers? Give me 5. 5. Give me 4. Great. Okay. All right. Thanks, you guys. Have a good recess, and we'll see you next week. Okay. How long was it? Oh, 13 minutes. Cool.